start the day, we need some good music. Let's.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Hey guys, this is Rap Virus, and this is my first of many videos. And today we are visiting concept raps in Sydney. We'll help them on the one project. It's behind me, Lamborghini Huracan, and I will wrap it from white to Tiffany blue. Probably it will take three days to do it, maybe 4. We already have one car wrapped in this color, and I did it last week, and this is how it looks. Probably let's start with our tools. My toolbox. In the future, I will talk about my tools a bit more in depth, explain you which tool I use for which purpose. My tool belt, heat gun, some rags for cleaning, cleaner, and that's it. All what we need to wrap this car. Of course. I almost forgot to mention we will need material. Yeah. For this project, we are using Hexis Tiffany blue. Hexis. I prefer to measure the car. First day, like prepare the car, clean it, take up parts off, then pre-cut every single panel. Then I'm laying few easy panels, like a bonnet or guard, just to feel how material works. And second day, I will start wrapping probably bumper. And yeah, just like mixing like every single day, like few difficult panels and few easy panels, just to not get tired very fast. And yeah, this is how I work. We need to disconnect these 2 cables, and this panel is off. I'm cutting material and I'm putting label, like this one is skirt. We have Q, it's our quarter panel. It's nothing, it's like off-cut, another skirt. I just have finished first full roll of material because we already wrapped R8. Lamborghini Aventador is in the process. You can see. Now we're opening second box. It's the same color, and I will continue preparing panels. And now it's time to put this vinyl on this Lambo. We have done front guard, bonnet, another guard, 3/4 panel, another side quarter panel, another 15 minutes on this rear bumper, and it's gonna be ready to go. Bumpers is always most difficult parts on the cars, but this one is not that bad. Probably I will finish it in 45 minutes, and it's gonna be last panel for today. I think I spent like 5 hours. I started 2, now 7, yeah, exactly 5 hours, and you can see how many panels I was able to do in 5 hours. We're done for today, but before we leave, let's do last bit. Let's start this car and listen for this insane exhaust. This car have a aftermarket exhaust. I don't know what kind of it, but it's loud. It's very loud. Let's check it. It's insane. It's so loud. All car is just shaking. Hey guys, it's another day. We're on the way to concept wraps. Today we need to finish Lamborghini Huracan. Yeah, not much left to do. Yesterday I wasn't filming. I just wrapped 2 doors, 2 mirrors, a few more small panels. Today I just need to do front bumper, side skirts, and that's it. Car will be ready. Tomorrow this car going to hot imports evening event, and yeah, it's gonna be on the stand. All 3 cars, all of them are wrapped in Tiffany blue. Audi R8, Lamborghini Aventador, Lamborghini Huracan. They will be like promo cars for the concept wraps. I hope everyone gonna like our quality, and we'll see what we're gonna do next. Front bumper is in process, and Furkan is wrapping rear bumper. What the heck you doing?
I'm just trying to get in there. Don't have access.
Aventador and Huracan must be finished tonight. We still have like...
You gotta sleep here.
Yeah, we have entire night. We have one funny story of today. Furkan was wrapping Aventador doors, and he left key inside, and car locked itself. And keys inside, and
It was fun.
it was fun. And yeah, then we need to call customer and ask for spare key. Yeah, how do you feel about that?
Now I'm feeling okay because I got the key, so I can access the car now. Both the doors are wrapped, but I can't finish it off. Look at that. Now I can finish it off.
My bumper almost finished. I will help Furkan to put it on his bumper.
Let's go. Oh. Do this.
Okay, let's finish my bumper. Enough playing. Yes, it's after 2 a.m. We finally finished this Lamborghini Huracan and Lamborghini Aventador. Cars are wrapped, they're ready for photo shoot. Photo shoot is tomorrow 10 a.m. It took a bit longer than I expected. I spent like 25 hours on this car, and my friend Furkan similar, like 25 hours. If you like this video, push the like button. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe our channel. In next video, I will show you another car. It's a brand new G-Wagon 2019 model, and we're gonna do full paint protection film on it, matte paint protection. It's gonna look matte. Just stay tuned and see you in next video.
Because bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. A phone in affection. I summon and dub it.
One more thing. Let's pack our stuff and go home. Thank you for watching.